A very warm, beautiful, scintillating good evening to one and all. Today, I chose As You Know More, You Grow. It's about growing spiritually, physically, and mentally. The reason for choosing this beautiful theme is only one. What I was 4 years back when I was thinking to join Toastmaster. I was having passion, I was having lot of dedication to get into, to know more about it, and what I am having right now after 4 years of my Toastmaster journey. Alhamdulillah, I acquire more, and there is also an interest that I wanted to do more and more. It's a humble recommendation from my side to my mentees that you start exploring whatever you feel interested, whatever giving you enlightenment or interesting you find, just try to dig deep into it. Chosen the word of the day, and that is splendiferous. Now, what is splendiferous meeting? What is splendiferous day? Now, we are going to have our second segment, which is workshop on pathways to international speech. And this time, we are so fortunate enough that we are having GTM Sapphire Muhammad. He is that personality whom I know when I started learning the T, alphabet T from the Toastmaster. So a very charismatic personality known for his, and I used to fondly call him my big brother. Welcome the king of humorous speech, born in Kerala, working with Royal Commission in Jubail as lead consultant for Cohesion, DTM in 2012, past Division L Director, and current counselor for Global Gavin. So he is all rolled in one, a role model for all of us, not only in the Toastmaster fraternity, but also outside. Please welcome him with a thunderous round of applause.
Thank you, Toastmaster Nilofer. That's one thing that motivates others to come forward and contribute more. Actually, you demonstrated that you have learned the art of introduction in Toastmasters very well. Okay, notepad. No notepad, no class. Just say yes or no. Our objective, as always, is always to gain confidence and to be a good leader. Then the next step is to be a good speaker as well. This is how we can define public speaking. It's speaking in front of people in a structured and deliberate manner intended to inform, influence, or entertain the listener. There is no shortcut. If you want to be a public speaker, you need to practice. You need to prepare a draft. You need to discuss with your mentor. And then a person who don't believe in his own speech, her own speech, how can you deliver a public speech? International speech is incomplete without you in it. So facts and figures should be authentic if it is part of your speech. Then comes another highlight is sprinkle humor. How can you use riskless humor?
Making humor on yourself first.
Exactly.
I think that is the best idea.
Self-deprecating humor is the easiest to work. Make it convincing. Rephrase things. Don't take something directly from internet and bring it to your speech where all people are connected. So it's very important that you should treat the first 30 seconds and last 30 seconds with a bit more care. What you delivered in your body of the speech. Now, if I'm not comfortable or I'm so finalized with your speech draft, practice. And as I told you, there is no shortcut. So you can have landscaping, your content on the right side, what facial expressions, write it down, what body language, write it down. Practice, you do it in parallel. Things that you have to take care when you are using your gestures. You can say hand. Confident, and make sure that what you deliver, body, face should complement your 7%, and they will take your message across. All from my side. Thank you so much for listening, and madam, back to you.
Like the proper usage of laptop, the eye contact, the body language, the gestures, there were many things which you have elaborated us in such a nice way that all my mentees are going to keep this in their mind when they are going to do their international speech. Two of them, the more you know, the more you get, and that's the reason why my theme is like this. As you know,
wonderful theme actually. As you grow more, you grow. It's wonderful theme. All the best to all the participants.
Double dhamaka for my mentees.
Be in touch with Toastmasters, because it's a place where you are allowed to make mistake and grow.
Thank you so much, Madam Toastmaster of the Day. The more you read, read, the more you know. The more you know, the smarter you grow. The smarter you grow. The table topic session enables members to develop the skill of public speaking. Table topic helps train members to quickly organize and express their thoughts. This also provides a speaking opportunity for any member who is not on duty in the meeting agenda. Each speaker must use the word of the day in your speech. Madam Toastmaster Pratibha, are you ready? One number?
I will choose one.
Which one is your favorite meeting and why?
I like parents-teacher meeting because in this we go opportunity to meet parents and give feedback about this child improvement. PTM is an excellent tool in help to know and work for this child performance.
Madam Toastmaster Rohini.
Yes, I totally disagree with this fact that we must spare the rod and spoil the child. Sparing the rod, we must not spoil the child.
As a teacher, which break do you like? Summer break or winter break? And why? Madam Toastmaster Nilokar.
As a teacher, as a person, as an individual, I definitely like winter. And I'm going to spend quality time with my parents, and that is very, very important for me. So I love this season and I'm very happy, very excited that after a few weeks I will be going India. Thanks a lot, dear. Thanks a lot for a very vivacious and splendiferous table topic session. I'm going to call timer before starting off the segment, the education segment, the international speech. Mrs. Chandra, she is a teacher, a very dedicated and diligent one, and she is going to present her international speech. Timer, Iham, Akil, to please throw some light on the responsibilities.
Readers, myself, Iham Akil as timer. For international speech, at 5 minutes, I will show green card. At 6 minutes, I will show yellow card, and at 7 minutes, I will show red card. For international speech evaluation, at 1 minute, I will show green card. At 2 minutes, I will show yellow card, and at 3 minutes, I will show red card. For table topics, it is up to 2 minutes. At 1 minute, I have showed green card. At 1 minute 30 seconds, I have showed yellow card, and at 2 minutes, I have showed red card.
All the best, dear.
Yes, ma'am. What do you think should be the greatest virtue of a human being? Gratitude should be the biggest virtue in a human being. One kind deed has a power of creating an endless ocean of gratitude and happiness. Each one of us has a moral responsibility to offer help, wipe tears, listen attentively, and repair all the leaks we come across in our life journey. Hug somebody who is sad and low. Learn to appreciate, because as you know more, you grow more into a kind and happy individual full of gratitude for the splendiferous world. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life.
Splendiferous speech, I must say. Second speaker, international speaker, and that is Shajida Begum Sheikh, is a dedicated teacher in IIS Jubail Boys
Section. Reported a sharp fall in posting selfies in a year or two since the beauty salons had closed. Can anyone guess the period when? To the optimist, the glass is half filled. To the pessimist, the glass is half empty. To an engineer, the glass is twice as big as it needs to be. But to me, this glass is absolutely enough to quench my thirst. Dears, as we know more, we grow more. So let's feed ourselves with current happening. We are almost at the end of a dreadful pandemic. Being an optimistic, I felt families reunited during this pandemic. Friends supported each other. Many find their way back home who left their hometown long back during this pandemic. Doing nothing changed everything. Pandemic held up a mirror. People had been forced to see the unpredictability of life. They started thinking what really matters. Plan for the best, but do prepare for the worst. So what would you choose to be? A pessimist or an optimist, or to be a splendiferous? Whatever it is, always enjoy every moment of your life, as we never know what time has in store for us.
Proof, prop. Both of you, I must say that you are there with the prop, because prop is that important factor which somehow attracted the attention of the audience, the viewer. We get glued to it. We can relate your story if it's inspiring one, if it's inspirational or informative. To invite two of my again very beautiful and confident, splendiferous evaluators to come and then give their evaluation.
Chandra ma'am started with a bang with a question. What do you think should be the greatest virtue of a human being? Choose the topic gratitude, which is again powerful to be a human being, which will make difference from us, from others. It was good, and she wonderfully gone with the proverb, Vietnamese proverb. When you eat a fruit, think of the person who planted the tree. So this is again, it makes you think, it makes you explore what you have done till in your life. So it was a great speech and it was awesome to listen, and listeners also will take something back home.
Thank you so much, Fatima, for your fantabulous evaluation. Yes. And now I just like to invite Dr. Lubna to evaluate Shajida's international speech.
Presented the material in a new innovation way, in that everyone can understand what you are going to say. Whether we are optimistic, idealistic or realistic. So it is different for everyone, and we should enjoy our life, either it is pandemic. So Sajana ma'am, I really appreciate your words and very good speech.
Thank you so much, Dr. Lubna, for your honest feedback. And definitely Shajida is going to take up today all these things. Now there is a member from NISA Toastmaster. Thanks a ton that you came twice here. Really, my mentees are fortunate enough. She is one of the experienced Toastmaster, Laila Pinto. She is a great friend. And the most important thing which I like and admire about Toastmaster Laila is that she always gives you very genuine and very honest feedback. Very helpful also, very kind, very helpful. Thank you so much, Laila. My grammarian report, just going to start from Mrs. Chandra. What are the beautiful statements which she has chosen in her speech? Seemingly good deed. This is the statement which got my attention, and I just noted down because I wanted to understand the depth of these statements, and really the art of gratitude which she has spoken. It's very well complimented today. Third beautiful statement goes like this: each one of us are having moral responsibilities. Yes, we all are having some moral responsibility and we have to do it. She has used theme of the day also twice, and word of the day also she has used. Very fast to the second international speaker, that is Mrs. Shajida. She has started up with a very beautiful line, a sharp fall in selfie pose. She has used theme of the day 2 times, and word of the day, of course, pandemic epiphany. She has used that statement. Then living a mechanical life. Yes, we all are living a mechanical life. Time has restored. Whatever time has restored, we have to capture it and we have to enjoy it. And she also used, as I told earlier, theme of the day and word of the day. Now coming very fast to the evaluators. To be a human being, this beautiful statement was used by Fatima, and then wow moment, and she has also used theme of the day and word of the day. Dr. Lubna used, we should take it in our way. Whatever we are doing, we are taking and grasping the ideas, the plan in our own way, but it should go to the right direction. And she has also used theme of the day and word of the day. And now I would like to invite the timer to give the timer's report.
For table topics, Pratibha ma'am took 30 seconds, Rohini took 45 seconds, Nilofer ma'am took 1 minute 38 seconds. For international speech, Chandra ma'am took 5 minutes 48 seconds, Shajida ma'am took 6 minutes 6 seconds. International speech evaluation, Fatima ma'am took 2 minutes 5 seconds, Lubna ma'am took 1 minute 41 seconds. For grammarian report, Nilofer ma'am took 2 minutes 55 seconds.
And then my dear Rohini, the R counter report is there.
Yes, ma'am. Madam Toastmaster Chandra used 1 hour. Madam Toastmaster Pratibha used 6 hours. Madam Toastmaster Shazita used 4 hours. Madam Toastmaster Nilofer used 1 hour and 7 hours. And Toastmaster Fatima used the word good twice and 4 hours. Thank you. Back to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for so honest our counter report. Thank you so much, Bayal Rohini. God